Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are going to be messing with the hair today. So, in the past, the only color remover I've used in the past on this channel has been Color Oops. Those videos or video will be linked below. This time I wanted to use a color remover that I can just mix with the developer that I already have at home because I did get like the jumbo bottle of Wella developer. Went in Sally's and I grabbed two packets of Radical Color Remover. So let me explain. I am naturally dark brown, but I did have bleached blonde hair. And then I went over the top portion with black and brown box dye. Or not box dye, sorry. Some box dye, but also some Wella. So this is where I'm at right now. I have the dark brown with some of my natural roots, bleached hair underneath with some pink still stuck in. What am I trying to do? I think I'm on the verge of going back blonde for summer because I've never reached that level of blonde that was just like superior, like literally platinum white. I don't think I've ever really reached it yet. So can my hair really take that right now? Probably not. Maybe I'll buy some hair masks or something. But the point is, today we're trying this color remover. I am skeptical because I don't really read things that well before I buy them sometimes. And this says removes bright bold color. So now I feel like this was made for like, you know, situations like this where the pink is like stuck in my blonde. I don't know if this is gonna remove my brown Wella dye, but I guess we're gonna find out. So that's what we're doing today, color removing. Okay, here goes. I have no idea if this is gonna work, but let's see. 2 ounces of developer. Okay, I'll just do. Did I just think of shots? Okay, that's like a shot. Oh! I do think that I put too much developer. So I'm probably gonna add a little more and then just put both packets at once. Okay, this looks like cement, and I don't have a great feeling about it. I have no idea if this is gonna... Why am I putting it on my roots when my roots are natural? Okay, but I really don't know if this is gonna work. I also don't have gloves. I'm realizing how out of pocket all this is right now. Yep, this burns your hands, and I don't have gloves. This stuff has turned like super fluffy. It's almost like foamy. But I think I'm gonna finish this off in the bathroom. Might just be easier for me. Alright, I've used everything. I think I see it working like a little bit. I mean, we're just gonna have to wait a while. Let me see what the packet says. Allow to remain on hair for a minimum of 15 minutes and maximum of 45 minutes. I'm definitely going to leave it the maximum, and I will be back with the results, guys. I didn't saturate my full head that good, so I'm a little worried. Like, I want to brush, but that's probably a really bad idea because I just want to, like, spread the product. But I'm going to leave it 45 minutes. Hi guys, so okay, I have to make this really quick, but long story short, it worked. I was surprised because at first it didn't seem like it was doing anything, but within like the first 20-25 minutes, I think it lightened as much as it was going to, and the other 25 minutes that I left it on were just like, you know, for nothing. Okay, so keep in mind that I didn't get to saturate my head as much as I would have liked. I may have not used enough developer, I'm not sure. But as you can see, I have this pretty kind of caramel light brown color going on, which I love. In the back, there is a dark patch where you can tell that the hair did not get saturated enough. I forget which side it's on. But yeah, for the blonde, I still have some pink in there, but again, that's like my fault. I didn't do the best coverage. And what I am surprised about is it lightened my roots as well. So I didn't even realize that this color remover is somewhat of a lightener as well, because I probably had about that much roots going on and it lightened them, which I'm okay with, because like this color right here I think is really pretty. I might even leave this for a few weeks. But yeah, so yes, the Radical Color Remover did work on brown dyed hair. And considering that there was at one point I thought there was a chance it wouldn't do anything to it, considering that, I am happy with this kind of light brown caramel hair color. I'm so happy that I do use color remover now instead of just like bleaching on top of brown or black store dye. Like that would be me in 2014, literally. Taking it slow, and it's been, I don't even know the last time I had like a pretty light brown hair color. The kind of honey shade or caramel shade always reminds me of Jessica Alba. But yeah, I would say this was successful, besides the fact that I couldn't saturate it as much as I wanted to with the 2 packets. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and if you have any ideas of what I should do next. And I will see you next time. Bye.